The four basic personalities. So number one is the dominant personality. Number two is the people personality.
Third is gentle supportive. The fourth is the meticulous detailed OC personality.
Okay, ito na yung application.
It is futile for the dominant to angrily say to the partner or to any family member, why can't you be as fast as me? Kasi siya yung naturally, God-given, pinakamabilis.
At usually, ang dominante, nag-aasawa, hindi naman kapwa-dominante niya ang napapangasawa niya.
Right.
Most often, napapangasawa nila are gentle, supportive partners na medyo naturally mas mabagal, mas passive, at a slower pace. When a lot of partners naturally dominant, sabi nila, ang bagal-bagal mo.
Why can't you be more assertive?
Hindi talaga eh.
Yes.
Kasi nga, hindi siya ganon.
You can influence, pero don't din expect na kasing galing mo na kagad.
This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.